called as little bit loud, also called as asymptotes method. Okay, for this asymptotes method, or to draw the asymptotes method of hyperbola, first of all you have to draw a asymptote A and asymptote B. Before that, draw the y-axis. Again, draw the x-axis. The intersecting point is O. From the point O, draw a asymptote A with the given length 25 mm, and draw the asymptote B on the y-axis with the given length 35 mm. Now B is a asymptote which is parallel to the x-axis. A is a asymptote which is parallel to the y-axis. Okay. Now on the asymptote A, locate some equidistant points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Okay. And on the asymptote B, again locate some equidistant points of 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, and 5 dash. Okay. Now join O1 and extend it onto the asymptote B until 1 dash. Again join O to 2 and extend it onto the asymptote B until 2 dash, and extend O to 3 onto the asymptote B up till 3 dash, and continue this process all the points which are you located up till 6. Okay. From the point 1, draw a perpendicular line, and from the 1 dash also draw the perpendicular line. These two perpendicular lines intersect at P1, and from the point 2 and 2 dash, draw the perpendicular lines intersect at P2. Draw the 3 and 3 dash perpendicular lines. Okay. You will get the intersecting point of P3. Draw the perpendicular lines from 4 and 4 dash. You will get another intersecting point P4. You continue this process to get the intersecting points up to P6. Now join P1 to P6 with a smooth curve. The required hyperbola with the asymptotes method successfully constructed. Okay. I think all of you got it.